Alright, let's go ahead and look at this problem on the same coordinate plane. Sketch and describe the following. So here you have three functions, 1, 2, and 3, and the first function is the square root of x. This is your parent or mother function. Now, the first function and f of x are the same. Does that make sense? So really, here in orange, I can do a substitution. Class, instead of writing f of x, you can write what? Radical x. So this one would just be radical x minus 3. And this one will become what? Radical x plus 2. Class, when the letter's on the outside, where, class? And it's to the right. What letter is that? A, H, or K? That is your K value. So if your K value is a negative number, what's going to happen? Goes down 3 units. Raise your hand if you got something like that. Good. And if it goes plus 2 on the outside to the right, is that A, H, or K? And that is your K value. Remember, H is on the inside, A is to the far left. So this one's going to go where? Up 2 units. Raise your hand if you got that. Okay, let's graph it. So let me go ahead and graph the parent function. If I put in 0, what do I get? 0. If I put in 1, what do you get? What's the square root of 1? Okay, pay attention. I'm not going to do the square root of 2. I'm not going to do the square root of 3. Class, what's the square root of 4? 4, 2. Here is my parent-mother function. And then the same points that I just found for f of the second function, I'm going to graph this in green. Okay, all this is going to do is what? You just move each of the 3 down 3 units. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we'll do this one in blue. This function, because the letter's on the outside, is going to move up 2 units. So from the original parent function, right, if you look at pictures of my kids, they all look like either me or my wife. And there you see the transformation. So let's punch that into your calculator. I'm going to do something kind of fancy. I'm first just going to put in the square root of x. So that is right next to the, it says x squared button, or the comma in the middle on the far left. So second, square root x. Okay, look what I'm going to do now. The calculator doesn't have f1, but it does have y1. y1 equals square root of x. So here, I'm going to actually put in, let's put this, let's show you what I'm doing. I'm going to put this one into y1, this one into y2, and this one into y3. So y1 is the parent function, so really what I'm doing is I'm putting y1. So to get that button on the newer calculators, you're going to press alpha graph. Everyone say alpha graph? Oh, that didn't work. What happened? Try that again. Uh-oh, I forgot the calculator command. I'll teach you old school. Press vars. What button, class? By the down button. Go to the y vars. You're putting this into your calculator, which is going to be on your test on what day? Thursday. Sophie and Amy are focused. And you press function. And then y1. And do that again. Vars. Y vars. So move over. Function. And then the y1. I put it in the wrong place. Square root of x. Go down to y2. And I want to say y1 minus 3. So I go vars, y vars, function y1 minus 3. And then down here I'm going to do y1 plus 2. So vars, y vars, function y1 plus 2. If you need to, you can write down those calculator commands. And I press graph. There's the parent function. There's transformation down 3, and that one is shifted up 2.